So the question here, as expressed, contains an unconfirmed assumption, but the question is expressed as follows. Why do so many people dislike poetry? Now, I prefer to say, what are some reasons why some people dislike poetry? But I do think that there are some generalities that can be covered quite rapidly, so here we go. Poetry is a form of writing, is in fact the form of writing about which the largest amount of pretentious nonsense is spoken. But also, poetry is the form of writing about which enthusiasts get the most passionate when they're speaking about it. And here's the problem. Sometimes, to the unaccustomed eye, pretentious nonsense and passionate enthusiasm can be very difficult to tell apart, especially when the passionate enthusiast is accustomed to expressing themselves using poetry. But also the word poetry is used to mean a lot of different things. And that also means that even the folks who love poetry will sometimes have some quite public and quite acrimonious disputes about what poetry actually is. And this, as I'm sure you can imagine, doesn't help the cause of poetry one little bit.